doing a video with Chef Nathan. I'm your host, and today we'll be making French toast. Let's get into it. Come cook with me. Bam! Let's talk about the ingredients. You have butter, cinnamon, maple syrup, vanilla, eggs, milk, bread, and sugar. But I use, and you want to use this too, it's called icing sugar, not regular sugar. And I will see you when we start to do the French toast. We're gonna make the egg mixture. You just take your eggs, crack them, and you pour them in. Another one. I'm not gonna try. After that, you're gonna pour in your milk. Next, you're gonna get a teaspoon of an extra. So it should look like this. We've done that. Add your cinnamon. I would just 4 or 5 shakes of it. Look at that. Now that we've done all of that, we can whisk it. I'll see you in the next step. Shabalamo. Hey guys. Now that I'm done whisking, we can check how uniform it is. Should be like that everywhere. Now comes the fun part. We get to dunk in the bread. The reason that we put it in a plate or a bowl, you can do anything with it, is because we want to dunk the bread, but have it evenly laid out. I will see you once we dunk the bread. Yay-haw! Go ahead and heat up some butter into the pot. Now that we've done that, we can cook the bread with the eggy goodness. Don't forget to cook it afterwards, otherwise you're just gonna have bread with egg yolk. So first, we want to evenly dunk it on that side. Evenly dunk it on that side. Let it drip so that there's no egg yolks on your stove. And then you just do this. Wait till it's golden on one side, then flip it. I will see you once we're in. Let's do this. Why? And I'm now going to flip it over. Yes, look at that. Look at that nice color. And when you press your spatula down, shouldn't be too hard, shouldn't be too soft. I will see you after. Wha-bam! Looks good, smells good. Now all there's left to do is eat it. You see, you can either put it on with the sugar, but I'm gonna enjoy it with my maple syrup. Don't forget to turn your device from this way to this way so that you can hit that subscribe button, make it gray, click the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a like. I will see you in the next video. Wow, bam!